thing first, I'ma say all the word inside my head. I'm fried up and tired of the way that things have been. No, the way that things have been. No. Second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sale, I'm the master of my CEO. The master of my CEO. I was broken from a young age, taking my salary to the messes, writing my